The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Friday, and our gospel will be from St. Matthew chapter 6, verses 19 to 23. The gospel keep on reminding us what will make you happy. And the gospel said, where your heart is, there your treasure will be also. The happiness comes from finding the greatest treasure. And as we grow older, we know that it is not money, neither it is fame nor power, which will make us truly happy. Because all of those will be gone. Without us knowing it, they are not anymore giving us the kind of fulfillment that we want. And as we grow mature in our faith, we will realize it is only in God that we can be truly happy. That all of this will be taken away from us. God will remain. My dear sisters and brothers, let us pray especially for those searching for happiness. So what if you do not have a partner? So what if you do not have your dream house? So what if you do not have your dream job? But as long as you have God in your life, whatever it is that you have will make you happy. I'm not saying we don't dream for all those things. I will be hypocrite if I will say do not be an ambitious man longing for fame, money, or authority. Those are good. However, it's just that all of this, while they are good, but they will never last. But the only thing that will last is Jesus, the real treasure that will bring us happiness. Come to Jesus and you will see what it means to be alive and to be happy and fulfilled. God bless.